First we want to make sure that our vehicle is on a decently level surface. This is the dipstick, which is on the left side of the vehicle, left side of the engine. And we go ahead and pull it out, wipe it clean. On this dipstick there are dots, a dot here and a dot here, low point, high point. We want to have the oil anywhere in between there, and that's the operating range. So then we're going to go ahead and put it back in and check it, or put it all the way back in, and then go ahead and pull it back out and go ahead and check that the oil is between the two dots. This shows a little bit above it, so we're very good on our oil here. We want to make sure that we don't overfill it. This one happens to have a little bit extra, hopefully not too much. But anyway, so then we just go ahead and reinsert it. But if it was too low, if it was below that dot, you would go ahead and remove this cap. So you would go ahead and put your recommended oil in. If you're at the very low dot, most likely it'll be about 1 quart to fill this up. But probably start with 1/2, then check it, see where that's at. If it's in the middle, then you can go ahead and have the extra 1/2. But we want to make sure that we don't overfill the oil, because that can cause engine damage.